Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode we have the 14-foot Sitka creek boat. I just brought it back down here to the shop, built this little cradle to support it and get the boat down lower while I work on it. I've already started disassembling some stuff. This was like the rear little swim deck that they had at an angle for this exhaust stuff, and that's just not working for me. I'm going to put a swim deck that's flat again and get that all straightened out. This pump is obviously leaving. It's the kawi pump. And we're just doing a little bit of disassembly here, clean up before the rebuild process and update process starts. So, what we got going in this thing is a 215 supercharged seadoo and pump and electronics. That's where we're at. We'll probably try to get the engine test fit here maybe this episode. We'll see, but for now it's more cleanup, more preparation to get this seadoo engine in there, and we will go from there. So stay tuned, here we go. Alright, day one progress. I have the seadoo motor stripped down to the bare block, all the electronics and intake and stuff off of it, just kind of sitting in the boat, gauging on what this is going to look like. Starting to look pretty good. So yeah, I think the next step is to probably drag the seadoo hull back around here and get some measurements off the factory motor mounts, or maybe use them somehow. I don't know, I haven't looked in that hole in a while. Obviously I need to cut these Kawasaki factory motor mounts out. I'll go ahead and smooth the hole down, take care of some of this stuff, clean it up in here, get it ready to build and fabricate motor mounts. So that is the next step in this video. Alright boys, it is the next day here, and it is day 2 on the Sitka creek boat rebuild. So I ordered some parts last night from RS Racecraft. I got the pump adapter for a Vortec. And then I ordered from SBT a seadoo drive shaft alignment tool or engine alignment tool. So today's goals: get this engine back out of the way, cut these factory Kawasaki mounts out of here, clean up some of the welds. It looks like I might be able to reuse these little motor mount standoffs, so that might be cool. And then I'm just going to finish de-wiring this thing from the factory Kawasaki wiring and get that cluster out of there, and just finish cleaning her up a little bit. I guess at this point I'll be waiting on some parts. So we're just going to get at a little more motor mount cleanup, and I'll go get those motor mounts out of the donor ski and get them bolted back up. Just keep trucking away. So, all right, let's go. Okay, slight change of events here. I thought that I had a RS Racecraft Hydroblaster intake. It sure looks a lot like it. Turns out it's not. It is an ASP intake from New Zealand. So, I went ahead and canceled my order. Went ahead and canceled my order with RS Racecraft. Just placed a new order from ASP. This is the 155 Kawasaki deal. I could have probably made it work for my application, but being that I want to hop up this seadoo drivetrain to a 215 in the future, I went ahead and went with the 160 universal intake, the carbon seal adapter, and the seadoo pump adapter from ASP. So that is all ordered. I just ordered it just now. Hopefully it'll be here quick. It's coming from New Zealand because I'm ready to get rocking and rolling. In the meantime though, I'm gonna go ahead and remove that ASP intake right there. It kind of sucks. I was hoping that I was gonna be able to use this intake, but hey, you know, it is what it is. It looks like I can reuse the intake grates because they seem to be pretty universal throughout their intakes. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one removed, and it looks like I'm waiting on parts, boys and girls. All right. Alrighty guys, just cleaned up the wiring harness a little bit, got rid of the old gauge cluster, got rid of the start stop button, cleaned up some stuff up under there a little bit, and fairly certain that we are basically at a major stopping point. A little mock-up of the seadoo cluster should look alright. Yeah. I'm just going to do a little cleanup work more off camera. That is it. So that will do it for the first video of the Sitka jet boat rebuild / update. So we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.